a little mindful awareness or a meditation. I think it's absolutely helpful for everybody to be able to experience it at some point. It can be wonderfully calming to the brain and to the body and the system and the awareness. So why don't you go ahead and we're going to do maybe just a 1-minute exercise. So if you're in a place where you can close your eyes or take a soft gaze, and if you're not, then you can try this at another time. This will be video. This is being recorded, so you can refer to it later. So go ahead and close your eyes or take a soft gaze. Get grounded in the place that you're sitting. Maybe you're sitting in a chair or on a sofa. Get comfortable in your seat. Really feel your body being supported by the chair, by the sofa. Feel your feet flat on the ground. You wiggle your toes. Find peace in being so supported by the chair or the sofa or the ground. Feel the warmth of your seat radiating against your back and the back of your legs. And take 2 deep breaths in, perhaps through your nose, and maybe blow out your mouth. And let your body sort of sink into the support of the chair, the sofa. Then return to your normal breath. As you do, notice how your breath comes in through your nostrils or your mouth. Just the quality of your breath. Does it tingle? Does it tickle? Make your mouth dry, perhaps the back of your throat dry. Notice these things as you're breathing in. Notice the quality of the breath as you breathe out. Curious about it. Feel differently than when you breathe in. Feel the same. There might be thoughts that come into your head. And simply notice them without judgment. When you notice them, just bring your focus back to your breath. You might notice sounds. Again, just simply notice them. Distractions will come in. You can gently thank them for coming and ask them to leave just for a moment. And then returning back to your breath. Breathing in and out. Focusing on the quality of the breath. And then when you are ready, you can open your eyes. So I'm curious how that was, and again, that was slightly sped up simply because of the nature of this. But I'd like to hear your thoughts, or read your thoughts, I guess, on how that was for you. Was there anything that you experienced? Was it hard to stay focused and present? And you can chime in, let us know what you were thinking.